So the SPM101EZ, our newest family member to the pocket hole line, just developed over the last 2 years via our engineering group and a university in Minnesota helped us develop this product. We spent time testing it with customers and found that they love it. They haven't really found an error with it. We refined it fairly well before we even put it out in the marketplace. Our introduction to the SPM101EZ basically entails a lot of the product that you'll see in our high-end machines without the pneumatic capacity or need requirements. So there's a little bit more manual work with it, but yet it does the same quality pocket you'll see in the product, from hardwoods to your melamine board, MDF, anything you may be pocketing. Again, with the 6-degree pilot hole, the very nice pocket. Very easy for joinery. The machine works and functions very similar to our other machine. It basically allows you to set your product in here, do a nice setup in there, lock down with your manual clamp. You've got one switch that turns on both your pocket router and your pilot hole router. It's got emergency stop. One action. One action creates that pocket. Size, very easy adjustability again with this machine, back and forth for doing your different screw links, as well as you have the ability inside this machine to adjust it for different depths of cut. It's just a mechanical depth change. Very simple machine, perfect for that guy that's doing a couple cabinets a week and needs that process. We've changed things in the machine from other existing machines in the marketplace that were unreliable, and we've created a machine that's much more reliable and gives a quality pocket.